Question number 9. A diagram show an isosceles triangle. Find the value of theta in radian. So we need to find the radian, this one. And we are given the two side equals, which is 5 centimeter. And the other side is 8 centimeter. If we want to find this angle, so we can draw a line, this one. And this angle is equals to alpha. And you can see that theta over 2, half of the theta is equals to alpha. By drawing this line, we have a right angle triangle because this one is 90 degree. Okay, and we have drawn a bisector, so this one is equal to 4 centimeter. So we can draw this triangle, right angle triangle, which has the angle alpha and the side of 4 centimeter and other side is 5 centimeter. We need to find the theta. If we can find alpha, so by using this condition we can find the theta. So alpha is equals to the sine of theta alpha. This one is the right angle triangle, so we can use sine of alpha because sine of alpha is equals to the opposite side divided by hypotenuse. Opposite side is 4 over 5, so alpha is equals to sine inverse of 4 over 5, which is equals to the 53.13 degree, or in radian if you want to find, which is 0.927. So we have calculated the alpha, so theta can be found out by using this value. Alpha is equals to theta over 2, so theta is equals to 2 times of alpha, and in this case alpha is equals to 0.927 because we need to find the theta in radian, so we will use radian value. Theta is equals to 1.854. Part B. The diagram shows a shape made of two arcs. Each arc is part of the circle with radius 5 cm and the height of the shape is 8 cm. Use your answer to part A to find the perimeter of the shape. Okay, so we can say that this is the part of the circle, so it means if we have the center here, so this one is the center of one circle, and so this one is the arc, and we just calculated that theta, this one, is equals to 1.854 radian, and we need to find the length of this arc, and this arc will also be the part of another circle with center from here to here. Okay, so if we can find one arc, so other one will be the same. This one is 5 centimeter and this one is also 5 centimeter, and length of this line is 8 centimeter. So we need to find the arc length, and we know that arc length can be found out by using the formula r theta, because angle between them is theta. This one is theta and this one is also the theta. So we already have the radius, which is 5 centimeter, and we already have the theta, so we can write perimeter is equals to 2 times of arc length. So one arc length is equals to the r theta, and in this case r is equal to 5 centimeter and theta is equals to the, we just calculated, which is 1.854 radian. So 2 times 5 times 1.854 radian. So this one is equal to 18.54. Perimeter is 18.5 because the side in centimeter, so this one is also centimeter. Part 2. Find the area of the shape. We have this shape. Okay, first we draw a shape here. This is a center and this is 5 centimeter and this one is 8 centimeter, this one is 5 centimeter. And this is the arc length we just calculated, which is half of this value, and half of this value is equals to 9.27 centimeter. Now, this is the triangle which we solve in part A, this one. And this is the half of the shape. We just need to find this area, where this shape is this area. So we need to find area of this region. And this whole shape is the sector. This one is a sector. Now, how we can find the area of this region? So this area is equals to the total area, which is the sector area, minus area of the triangle, which is the yellow shaded. So area of the triangle. So we can find this area, which is half of this shape. Okay. Now we have the angle, which is equals to 1.854. Now we need to find the area of the sector and area of the triangle so that we can find this shaded area. So area of sector is equals to 1/2 r squared theta, and we just calculated the theta, which is equals to the 1.854, and r is equal to 5 centimeter given. Okay. Similarly, we need to find the area of the triangle, which is the yellow shaded region. So area of the triangle is 1/2 height into base, and in this case this one is the base, which is 8 centimeter. We need to find the height, and this one is 90 degree. So this height can be calculated by using the Pythagoras theorem, because we have the right angle triangle. So area of the sector is equals to 1/2 time radius square, which is 5 centimeter square, time theta, which is 1.854, minus 1/2 height time base. Base is already 8 centimeter. Okay. Now how we can find the height? So this is the right angle triangle, and this one is 4 centimeter, half of the base, and this one is 5 centimeter, and we need to find this height. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Hypotenuse is 5 centimeter, so 5 square is equals to base, in this case, which is 4 square, plus perpendicular is height, in this case, so h square. So we can say that 25 is equals to 16 plus height square. So height square is equals to 25 minus 16, which is equals to 9. So height is equals to 3 centimeter. So we have calculated the height, which is equals to 3 centimeter. By using these information, we will have 1/2 25 times 1.854 minus 1/2 height we just calculated, which is 3 and 8. So this one is equals to 4. So we have equals to 23.18 approximately minus 12, and this one is equals to the 11.2 centimeter square. This is the area of half of this shape. We need to find the total area of this whole shape. So we have calculated the half shape. So total area is equals to 2 times of this shape, half shape, which is 11.2, and this one is equals to the 22.4 centimeter square. So this one is total area.